Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's little project is this, sorry about that, is this cute little crochet starflower. For this, you will require a hook and some crochet yarn. It's quite easy to make. The first thing you will do is make a slip knot. Once you have your slip knot, you're going to chain 5. Slip stitch into the very first chain to form a ring. For row 1, chain 3, and into your circle make 2 double crochets. And chain 2. Your repeat for this row is 3 double crochet. I'm also working my tail piece in at the same time. And chain 2. And you will repeat the 3 double crochet and chain 2 3 more times. I'm now doing the last set of repeats, which is a 3 double crochet and 2 chain. When you're done with this row, please slip stitch into the beginning of your 3 chain. So right on top, make a slip stitch. Now you will have a total of 5 clusters of 3 double crochet with 2 chains in between. Slip stitch into your next stitch, which is your second double crochet, and slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch into your 2 chain space. Once you've slip stitched into your 2 chain space, you will work the following: a half a double crochet followed by 1 double crochet followed by a treble, chain 2, and we're going to repeat that in reverse: a treble, a double crochet, and a half a double crochet. So there you have your 1 petal of your flower. Now you're going to make 1 slip stitch in the second double crochet of the 3 clusters. So skip 1 double crochet into the second one, a slip stitch. Let's repeat that. So your repeat for this round is you only work in the 2 chain spaces, and you make a half a double crochet first, followed by 1 double crochet, followed by a treble, followed by 2 chain, 1 treble, all into that 2 chain space, 1 double crochet, and a half a double crochet, followed by a slip stitch into the second double crochet. Please repeat that until you get to the very end of your row. I'm finishing the last petal of my starflower. When you try this out and you post a video, please tag me in it. I'd love to see what you're up to. If you have a moment, please hit subscribe, like this video, and thank you so much for watching. And once you make your last slip stitch, you're going to slip stitch into the very first stitch, right here at the bottom. Just slip stitch into that stitch. Nice at the bottom. You'll cut your yarn, you'll work your tail away, but this is it, your star flower, all nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix out. Enjoy crocheting.